Thursday afternoon. We got started at 1:30. We're now somewhere between Rochester and Syracuse, trucking along. It's about 50 degrees right now. It's going to be 20 in the morning when we wake up. And we're going to hit Street and I as a plan.
Not going to happen.
And maybe this weekend we also hit Wright and
Nope.
Tabletop and Phelps, and maybe Porter and Cascade. And what else, Allison?
Paradox Brewery.
Paradox Brewery for Allison's birthday on Sunday. That's what she's focusing on. Focus on the prize, right?
Yeah.
All right. Right now we plan on getting to the lodge at about 9:45. So we got to lean to reserves. So that's where we're staying tonight. Keep on trucking. All right, we made it to the lean-to. It is somewhere around 11:30 now almost. We got here about 10:30, 10:15. Checked in. It's rainy out. It's about 45 degrees or so, and it's going to be that way till about 5 in the morning. Then it's going to drop to like 20 degrees pretty quick. So nice and snug in here. Tomorrow night we're going to try to get 6 people in here apparently. So we'll see how that goes. We're ready for bed and early morning on the mountains. All right, it's Friday morning at about 7:30 or so. Something like that. We got breakfast going, we got coffee, got oatmeal. Allison's eating some homemade, what are they?
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. We're getting ready to roll. We're trying to debate whether we're going to Street and I or somewhere else. The streams are supposedly pretty high, so we're going to think about it for a minute, have some coffee, and decide then. This is our view from our lean-to. Little creek down there. Doesn't look like it's roaring too bad. All right, we're starting Street and I. It is snowing, and it's about 9 o'clock, and we are on our way to see what happens. All signed in and ready to go. All right, as soon as we are signing in, we're signing out. The creeks are a little bit too high. We're going to try something different. Not sure what yet. All right, new change in plans. We are at Cascade Porter, and we're going to hit that. And the creeks are up here, but not too bad. Coming up Cascade Mountain. It is windy and cold and icy, but very pretty. Very pretty out. So coming up Cascade, it is a beautiful hike. You can tell by the look on Allison's face. Mountain. Woohoo! What's the thermometer say here? 6 degrees. Porter Mountain, it is cold. 6 degrees. F. Here's one. Oh, my lip stuck to the flask. Alright, let's get out of here. On our way up to Cascade, here's what we got. Probably can't tell, but it is windy. Pretty up there too. It's nasty windy up here on Cascade, almost to the top. Switched into micro spikes. Let's do it. Let's do it.
There was
My butt. I don't have. You better stop right here. All right, we wrapped up Cascade Porter. Wonderful hike. The whole way. Gonna sign out, and we are gonna find somewhere to eat in Lake Placid. All right, we found the Big Slide Brewery, and Allison's got a flight. Dylan's got a flight. Here's what we're getting right there. And I got a stout, so cheers. Got a little fire going. Got a full moon coming up through the woods, sitting in the lean-to. I'm all set up in the corner. Little heater there. And waiting on the lens. They should be here in about 15 or 20 minutes. Beautiful night. It's about 10 degrees out right now. It's supposed to get down to somewhere around 0 overnight. So we'll bundle up and enjoy the night. All right, it's moving day. We got the Lannons and the Peters and the Zalays moving into lean-to number 1. LT1. Well, that was easy. All right, once again, we've changed plans, as these trips tend to do. Street and I, we talked to somebody, and they said the river was completely full, and they couldn't get across just this morning, so we're not doing that. We have an option to do Wright Peak, which the report there is 70-mile-an-hour winds. The temperature now is about 16 degrees or so. So that wind chill might get down to about 15 or something. We're also thinking about going to Tabletop and Phelps. So probably be a group going to each, and we'll cover everything today. That's the plan. We'll see how it works out. Hiking up to Tabletop and Phelps. We got Weston and Robin and Rachel. Beautiful morning. Hey, there's Weston. Beautiful morning, beautiful hike. A little bit of snow, everything's covered. Looking good. Yep. We are nearing the peak of Tabletop, and it is windy. There you go, Tabletop Mountain. And a second ago, you could see the clouds or the mountains from below, but now you cannot see anything. It's white out. Almost. Almost.
7/10 of a mile.
Did you make it?
You made it in about 4 more steps.
Okay.
Check it. Right peak. Algonquin. Tim is somewhere on right now. All right, we got Tabletop in. Now we're headed to Phelps. Gorgeous hike. Gorgeous hike. Right along creek. We're going up here. All right, on the way up to Phelps, and it is starting to get a little icy here. We'll see if we switch to spikes or how this goes. Almost to the top of Phelps here. What a view. What a view. I think that skylight there in gray and Marcy's behind it. There's Colden off to the right in the clouds. Sun's peeking out every now and then. Beautiful. On the way down from Phelps, that is Colden there on the left and Algonquin on the right to the right of Algonquin, Iroquois beyond. What a beautiful sunset. I wish I could stay here at sunset. Gotta hustle back to the lean-to. We are wrapping up the hike from Phelps. It's dark, it's about 6:15 or so, and walking up to the lodge right now. As you can see, looks familiar if you watch the Colden video, about the same time and about the same place. So, wrap it up for today. Go have a couple beers or something. What do we got for dinner, Roy?
I don't know, Robin made.
Coconut curry chicken.
Yeah.
With some risotto that Tim threw in.
Nice. We are living right.
Hope everyone likes carrots.
Carrots? Wait, there's carrots?
Carrots.
All right, we are packing up and heading out. Next stop is Paradox. Where are we at, Allison?
Paradox.
All right, here we are. Happy birthday, Allison. Tomorrow. All right, we talked to birthday girl and then doing one more hike. Yep, that's right. We're gonna go to the Severance Mountain and we're gonna go apparently through some creepy tunnels first. This looks like the first one. Getting to the top of Severance Mountain. Pretty here, huh? Home for the night.